Hey guys, it's the one and only HER.ARTIST and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be drawing Monyaa, a very beautiful lady with over 173,000 followers on Instagram. Her Instagram account is @Monyaa20. She seems to speak fluent Russian, but unfortunately I do not speak any Russian, and since all of the descriptions underneath her Instagram pictures are written in Russian, I wasn't able to find much information about her, which is truly a shame. However, the reason I decided to draw her today is because I thought that she had a couple of very beautiful features, namely her smile on this picture, which is just absolutely gorgeous, together with her eyes which seem to sparkle and therefore really make her stand out amongst the crowd. Furthermore, the impression I got from her is that she seems like a very friendly and easygoing person, and I figured that she would thus make the perfect model for my art. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Without any further ado, I really hope that this drawing will turn out well. I'll do my best to make that happen, so please watch and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the end result.